Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Shopify free trial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to Shopify.com. Click Login and sign in with the same email and password you used to create your Shopify trial. If you see a list of stores, click the store you want to cancel. Wait for your Shopify admin dashboard to load fully. Look at the bottom left corner and click Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click Plan. On the Plan page, locate the section that shows your current plan or trial status. Scroll down until you see an option related to canceling or deactivating the store. Click Deactivate Store or Cancel Subscription depending on what your screen shows. Read the message Shopify displays so you understand what will happen after deactivation. If Shopify asks why you are leaving, choose a reason from the drop-down menu. If there is a comment box, you can leave it empty or write a short note. Before continuing, make sure you have saved any important data like orders, customer lists, or reports. If you have a custom domain through Shopify, decide whether you want to transfer it or remove it later. If you have third-party apps, note that some apps may still have separate billing outside Shopify. Click Continue or Next to move forward in the deactivation process. When prompted, enter your Shopify account password to confirm it is really you. Double-check that you are deactivating the correct store name shown on the screen. If you see billing details, confirm that you are still in the free trial and not on a paid plan. If Shopify offers a pause plan, select Deactivate if you want to fully cancel instead of pausing. Click the final Deactivate Store button to complete the cancellation. Wait a few seconds for Shopify to process your request. Look for a confirmation message that your store has been deactivated successfully. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Shopify as extra proof. If you do not receive an email, go back to Shopify.com, log in, and confirm the store status shows as deactivated. If you used a paid theme, remember you may lose access to downloads after deactivation, so keep your files if allowed. If you plan to return later, note your store URL and keep your login information safe. If you see any unexpected charges, contact Shopify support from the help section with your account details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.